Planning a location for a scheduled lecture requires careful thought. Is the lecture environment suitable for the given student group? What learning content and materials need to be covered? Does the environment, layout or design allow for walk around, peer interaction and demonstration of learning materials? Are there facilities for the students to take notes? Learning environments need to be accessible, appropriately proportioned, flexible and suitable to meet a diverse range of needs. Other environmental considerations are adequate lighting levels, ventilation, noise levels, temperature, ergonomically tested chairs and desks, as well as working up-to-date equipment. Ideally, there would be movable seating, a resource for projecting information onto the screen, a flip chart or whiteboard, and any other relevant resources required. If using technology, consider if the learning tool, device or instrument is available and connected to convey information relevant to learning. Are there contingency plans in place for technology failures or connectivity issues? It would also be helpful if class boundaries, rules and expectations are set and made clear at the start or in advance of the lecture, such as safety considerations, timing, interruptions and use of phone or laptops or other devices.